Sometimes it's necessary to change the colors of the background around your image in order to see it better. To do this, go to Edit, click on Preferences, and select Interface. There are 4 color themes available. These set the background color for all of your panels. If you want to change the highlighted color of selections, this box will change them from gray to blue. Hit OK and you can see the highlighted areas are now framed in blue. In this section, you have several choices that affect the area around your image. This is important if your photograph is black and you have a black background. You may not be able to see the edges. There are additional settings in this area you can try to see what suits you. And that's all there's to it. As with all Photoshop Quickies, it's best to pause this video as you work through the steps.